In one of my recent videos, I showed how to fix the problem when email messages containing Instagram codes do not arrive. Now some users experience a new problem. Text message codes, SMS messages with codes from Instagram do not arrive. It usually goes as follows. You try to reset your password, you try to log into Instagram, or you just open the Instagram app where you're already logged in. It refuses to show you the feed and instead prompts you for a phone number, or if your account is already registered to a phone number, it simply sends you a code in SMS message which you have to enter back to log into your account. However, this message never arrives. There are several fixes to this. Some of them are local to your device, and you can easily fix them yourself. Some of them are related to your mobile carrier, that is also possible to fix. And some of them are related to Instagram, so you cannot fix them without Instagram help. So I will start with the obvious. You will have to restart your iPhone or Android phone and try to request another code and see if it comes through this time. In some cases, you have to disable Wi-Fi calling, then activate and deactivate airplane mode and try to receive the text message again. Sometimes text messages may not arrive because the time zone settings on your phone do not match the actual time zone you're in. So make sure the time zone is correct, the time is correct, and the date is correct, and try to request another message. In some really weird cases, the Instagram message containing the code does not come as a text message from your carrier, but instead comes in a chat in WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, which are both owned by Meta, the same company behind Instagram. So check your WhatsApp for any chats containing login codes. Also make sure no chats or contacts are blocked in WhatsApp. In some rare cases, the problem may be with your phone's firmware. This is especially true about Android phones if you are using a custom ROM. In any case, try to take out your SIM card, if you still have one, temporarily place it in another phone, for example borrow it from your family member or roommate, and try to request the SMS code again. Sometimes this works. In very rare cases, instead of sending a text message, Instagram will call you up and an automated voice message system will dictate you the code. And sometimes this does not happen immediately after you request the code. In rare cases, it may take up to 2 days for Instagram systems to finally call you up. And since you don't normally answer to calls from unknown numbers because of spammers and scammers, it's very likely you have missed that call. In some cases, there is the problem with that very phone number you are trying to get the message sent to. The exact number can be blocked by Facebook, especially if several Instagram accounts have been activated with the same number, since Facebook seemed to be trying to get rid of bot accounts after all that Elon Musk trying to purchase Twitter debacle, so maybe your particular phone number is just banned by Instagram. In this case, try entering another phone number, for example, one of your family members, just to receive this SMS code. Another reason may be that the message from Instagram and Facebook are going to text messages spam folder on your phone, or the number from which Instagram and Facebook send their codes is blocked in your phone settings. Even if you didn't block the number yourself, it may still be blocked, because both Google, which operates Android phones, and Apple, which operates iPhones, have a system where users kinda share the same numbers to block. So if enough users flag any number as spam or annoying, it will automatically be blocked on all other Apple devices in this case. In North America, Facebook and Instagram number is 32665. If you use old school telephone keyboard which has letters on that, these digits correspond to FBook, meaning Facebook. Facebook and Instagram started to be very annoying, sending you messages with links to updates on your Facebook and Instagram friends' profiles, and Facebook and Instagram didn't really respect the setting not to send those messages, So users started to block this number. And Apple started to distribute that across the user base. So check your blocked numbers, which is in dialer settings in Android and in system phone settings on iPhones, and check for the number that may be associated with Facebook or Instagram. This is 32665 in North America, and in other regions it may be a text-based number. So unblock that, reboot your phone just in case, and try to receive another code. If all this fails, the problem is on Instagram side. They may have shadow banned your account because of possible phishing attempts. Some users report success while trying to log into Instagram using VPN. However, I'm strongly against using VPN, especially commercial popular ones, since all of their exit nodes, that means the IP addresses they change your IP address to, are known to Facebook, Instagram, and basically any social network, and as they are often used by scammers, spammers, and hackers, the IP addresses may be banned by Facebook and Instagram. And that's why Instagram considers all logins from those IPs as phishing attempts. So this issue could only be resolved through Instagram support, which is notorious for not answering any requests. So there are a few ways to resolve this issue. If you cannot log into Instagram on a certain device like your phone, but you still have an active login somewhere else, for example on your PC, try opening Instagram on your PC and it may present you a form to confirm the identity of your account. In this case, complete this form and you will be able to log in back to Instagram on the mobile device. If you don't have any of that, you will need another Instagram account. That may be yours, if you have a spare one, or you may ask any of your relatives, friends, roommates, or whoever to help you out. So in this another Instagram account, you have to report a problem. A text input field will appear, and you have to enter something like that. Hello, sir or madam. I have trouble logging in to account and then enter your account name. The SMS code sent to then enter the problematic number is not coming through. Please fix this issue. Thank you. That's the message you have to send from another account. You can do this on the same device. Leave the app with the problematic account alone and use the mobile browser to access Instagram through the website and there log into this another account. If you don't have another account, this also could be sent to a special Instagram email address, fish@instagram.com, which specifically deals with phishing attempts. It would be wise to send this email from the same email address that your Instagram is associated with, if any. However, sending emails is less effective than sending a problem report through the Instagram app or while being logged in on Instagram website. Just to make sure, I would suggest you do it both ways simultaneously. Send the email and also send a problem report from the app or from the website. In some cases, you would also be required to perform an identity check, which includes making a selfie. So Instagram support will make sure this is your account by comparing your selfie to the photos that are already in your account. But this only works if you have a profile picture or mostly post pictures of yourself to Instagram. If you mostly post photos of historical places of interest, pets, food, your craft work or whatever, confirming your identity with a selfie might be problematic. So after you do this, you will have to wait. Normally you have to wait about 2 days, in rare cases up to 1 week. You most probably will not receive anything from Instagram, but if you completed that selfie identity check, you might receive an email message from Instagram. Anyway, in a couple of days, try getting back to Instagram app, and in this case, the SMS request will be gone. So Instagram will just stop nagging you with entering your phone number and getting SMS codes to it. So when your Instagram is finally working, the first thing you need to do is to confirm this phone number. if you didn't do that before. So go to Profile and add this problematic phone number to Instagram settings and confirm it with an SMS code, just to avoid problems in the future. Just don't spam that send new code button, since if you make too many attempts, you will have to wait 24 hours or more until you can try again. And also keep in mind that I'm offering this solution to you for free. There is no paywall. Anyone can watch this video online and follow these instructions to try to unblock their account. So don't be stupid and do not turn for help to some shady people advertising their services to unblock your Instagram account. They don't work for Meta. Sometimes they may help you, but in most cases they will take your money, scam you, and maybe steal your account.
I am the god of YouTube.
Like, subscribe, thanks, jingle bells.